This is John with WTI, and this is one of the best trimmers, if not the best trimmer outliner that you're going to find in the market. This is the Andis T-liner trimmer. So I'm constantly shaving. I cannot do close shaves with a razor because I have a sensitive skin. But once I got this, and this has been with me for a while, this just does the work. But not only will give me a close shave whenever I'm trying to shave normally, but any shape up that I need to do with my haircut is just working perfectly. So this one has a powerful motor. It will go to your shades. It will go and do your liners perfectly, like you just got out of your barber shop. So if you're on the go and you need just easy movement, this has a long cord that you can take and move and do your work properly without any problem. This one is going to be working perfectly for you. So this was John, WTI, and that's my point of view.